Hi everybody, this is Mohammad Mubin Bilagi. Basically, I'm from Karnataka, Vijaypura. So recently, I was doing a job in as a system engineer. So the thing is that when I just want to move to the new technology. So I was just googling and I was searching on the YouTube. So I found small shorts and YouTube videos of Learnomate. So I have gone through with that. So after that, after seeing the videos and the explanations of some of the glimpse of the video, I got a little bit clarity. So I just find out the link and I just reach out to the Learnomate Technology. So after contacting the Learnomate Technology, so the doubts which I was carrying, it was very clearly explained. So after that, I joined to the Learnomate Technology online. So the thing is that when the course was going on, it was very excellently described and explained. So the thing is that the clarity which the Ankush sir is going to produce was so fabulous. So it was very good to understand, to analyze the things what actually the course is providing to us. And later on, if I was having some kind of issues and some kind of problems, so I used to reach out to the Learnomate support. They are very quickly and they are very responsive. So we have been added into groups. If we have any kind of an issue, I used to reach the support teams. So it is fabulous that I have joined the Learnomate technology. So the course I was taken was DBA, database administration. So I would like to tell you that you can go through the shorts, you can go through the Learnomate YouTube channel. You will get the clarity of what actually they are going to be teach, and everything has been supportive. Even the mock interviews, the interview preparations, the even the build of resume building, everything is fabulous. And I would just want to suggest you that you can join the Learnomate technology.